Zambian sex workers helping health ministry with contact tracing. Zambian Health Minister Chitalu Chilufya said sex workers in the country are helping officials trace people who have been infected with the novel coronavirus. The border town of Nakonde has seen a rise in cases, with 76 of the 85 new cases being either lorry drivers or sex workers. Chilfuyu said sex workers have been very cooperative and they are giving us all the leads we want. The country has reported 267 cases of COVID-19 and 7 deaths due to the disease. Zambian President Edgar Lungu enforced social distancing through a month-long shutdown but recently reopened restaurants, gyms, and casinos. However, Lungu reportedly ordered the border to be closed temporarily. Chilufya said the situation in Nakonde remains grave and the president is concerned. Lorries normally pass through Nakonde on their way out of Zambia or into Tanzania, which means lorry drivers are a high-risk group because of their contact with numerous towns. Lorry drivers listed as essential workers also reportedly have multiple sex partners throughout their journey. Chilufya said they do not want to stigmatize or discriminate against sex workers because they have been helping the ministry with their COVID-19 investigations. He described the case of a sex worker who exhibited symptoms of COVID-19 and told them about a lorry driver client from a foreign jurisdiction. The sex worker gave the ministry the lorry driver's number, and upon calling the lorry driver, the ministry found out that they too had COVID-19. The BBC reports that East African health authorities are concerned that lorry drivers are spreading the novel coronavirus. Although sex workers in Zambia are being praised by their health minister, sex workers around the world are struggling throughout the pandemic. The English Collective of Prostitutes, an organization composed of current and former sex workers, has been asking for government support for sex workers who have no access to financial support. According to Euronews, sex workers may be forced to continue meeting clients and put themselves at risk of infection from COVID-19. In Japan, sex workers are eligible to apply for aid under what many have called restrictive conditions, and many are afraid that they may have to out themselves as sex workers in the process. CNN reports the hashtag Nightwork is also work even went viral online in response to sex workers' struggle.